Bia Kamal Kanor online TV channel to kon ga jom bukona ling kadamanda ni denter general ken milet ka organization intentional ke civil organization ki organization telet ko kwi not Rewika South Sudan bana jora bana ling ka jen la rame video me ba jangar bia jeling yo kan kono niam ngaine jen go South Sudan tere ring tungwan so organization tungwan let kan lonko dong de South Sudan der ragwa an organization de mele retino go general alert kala jo la ja tu bugun tungwan so barait ke jen ku organization an let tin kana ta dan let kana ko dong de kula ngaja gwane de kon tilla ne kon ko ne jen la mala ne chang la roje comedian tongwan ban man la de god ban jelin ke la kan kono ni ami jiram jidit kan online TV channel gore jen wo jinde subscribe ko de notification bell de jetwine ko de lerti de kan chamala shubkeje en roje bialin gwase me roy mishala de denter manyang gado jiram kel mela len ka jawde wi mon ke kwi South Sudan ke rikten tokten lada men di dawo ba winmon larik en chitwo kano baramen chidwer lat kwedwer jen la jor la jama la lat ke radio tamazuj I radio Sudan Post I radio ne ki en radio ne ki media na kontere ka South Sudan en konere right ki mal ka ko jen la men di dawo ba mal ba jawo ki ba jor ba jeling la mala pose long dong mi jiram la media te gude ngaje no jenela jo lai mala tobe an organization and ledatin kana men la dere we ka South Sudan jen lere ka Michel ka Center for Peace and Advocacy jen gwadan ledatin lere ga kwi malgare we ka South Sudan jen kanere kontila ripola ja tukela ngala ka document so jen lada men dire long so bia clear information bia linga jen video na me Michel adane gor jen obaje nyaka yekel ko bia jokol ngaje no gwada dan teten mala la dengu so la yene ne je sometime Michel ko pose ga dong yen ngane nyok mi gor jen objor biling burla konu ka kan media ndial ko ken tin paila die bagalat mo ka jen video me bia la de bia ling bala da men dit mala de long rewi ko South Sudan lengu so ana go achana jilinga joda kel
ơn khi đó thẻ của hiệu quả chẳng có số sáng ở ngoài mà sáng một quả long thẻ này là ngoài nó cài số gần mình go ra ballat Latin cái civil society organization nay trong ngoài cha Latin cái civil society organization sang ngay rồi cái civil society organization càng ani especially community done civil society organization kaman zamate aramat tibakel titil pe ko kan barodin muy pek kanay independent ta goro no bigarai katan te kanyin way cái thằng ngoan cái sàm ní cái mà zaman thì agar fin kume ku cooperate under the government til cái funding đi goro cái kume others they receive funding others they did not receive funding Tante civil society organization cái nào mà này trong ngoài ngay cái South Sudan ko ngaram kel cái civil society organization la de organization me la Center for Peace and Advocacy Center for Peace and Advocacy po ma yene ke 2023 I mean na ke 2013 medan etadwer gore cho ja ko na uchabelat me so dwer gore 2015 cho ja ko belat nyene la de medan ke Uganda Manumesha Ben South Sudan, we registered it here. Chao Gorka RT Relief Rehabilitation Commission. And then we registered this organization. Con Larco advocacy. Advocacy we do in two ways. Mataka pressing issues, we issue statements, and that statement were published in newspapers ke ba publish online publication shatante Nyamelepedia natante Sudan Post kasante iRadio katante Radio Tamazoy ka Sudan Tribune ka media anto ken ano michi agul de rekojetin tin lar kolengo. And also we are doing what we call human rights documentation, monitoring and reporting. Human rights documentation, we just do the cases like issue of killing, like property destruction, and we do it also in making preservation of the Chapter 5 of the Peace Agreement. Chapter 5, 1081, 3 issues, reconciliation, commission of truth and reconciliation and healing, and then compensation reparation authority, and then hybrid court for South Sudan. Hybrid court for South Sudan in case Mishi or take a court any person that have incited violence, issue of accountability will come in. Not necessarily only the political leaders, even the religious leaders, even the community leaders, the civil society leaders. They are part of hybrid court for South Sudan. Also, we do what we call transitional justice. Transitional justice is a new concept. Take a mere African Union transitional justice, and that transitional justice, it was launched in 2019. Kashar Masheka, Egypt, I participated when I was working in Uganda. Me work in Egypt 2019. And then she head of the state and government, Chika Beni Al-Kamel African Union Transitional Justice Policy. And this transitional justice is a coordinator body. In case Mishi Ote Core, into victim Nishang, Kaman, Kanagat, Kanatindit, youth. So these are the people, Tinkula victim Nishang, always, when there's a war. And then African Union Transitional Justice is talking about those 4 categories. You know, Mantate refugees, but IDPs, statelessness people. Is statelessness people, Karama, Shadaf, Tongde, worker refugees, and then Alote state, citizenship career. And then maybe, for example, at Tananay, Taka Western Equatoria, take a point to Lual, can I take a Western Bargadal? Miran worker immigration, but you Nigeria and you are not a South Sudanese. And then majority of South Sudanese, Shikala statelessness. An example of the civil society organization, Tanaka Human Rights Organization, those are the organizations that advocate and protect on the issue of human rights in the country. Tanaka environmental groups, Tanaka developmental organization, Tanaka advocacy group, Tanaka youth, Tanaka women, Tanaka religious leaders. Those are the composition of civil society organization. But because South Sudan, Tanaka 2-type organization, 3 type, and then Tanaka 9 land use, and then land use back all category, we will take an organization that are doing humanitarians. So humanitarian, another organization who are doing governance. So like us, we don't do humanitarian. We are human rights organization that deal on issue, the governance issue, so the peace and also accountability in the country. Gan ko no matodmo biya ngai ko no balharie ke biya ngai kan ne te si usai nga ni kon we use what we call soft power, you know. Tene de jekko ti de jekko political leaders kate ke political leaders ene de jekko ke chaw de jekko ke but kwa ko we state the enemies. One in the state, one there's a weak opposition, and then we civil society big a victims. And then at work again, so kako. And kon malago e come connect independent, you know. Tira ramoko ko support. Ala wala ko nanyin ko an go no na yen video mo biya ngai ko milar ko lengu ala ko nay kon der civil society. An ga duna advocate tel ma nyangal way.
gua shajo de shajaling enter manyang gadwich the ter manyang gadwich rajadan shalat gua sme shajaling manana shalat jen en point da chen yung gatong wan cha ko gorlong enemy shi do talk lan we bejo je ka radio bejo je ka radio tamazu cha do cha gor ko khimal ga eno gwa de chiri ke talk tana la ka kwed de der mi tera mi chi dor she mi je she lat so jala de she mi che jogono jen organization de neme mutual keme a Center for Peace and Advocacy legend independent organization mi tele ngada tele rami mo mat kene keje so lada wo bana ba kan wakano ba jawdo ba jetup mi te kerek mi shoda lat so jan lar jen shaling one ene gwaye nyoka jeni ko ken mi jiram jidit kanwar online tv channel chuje paru jeno jin be subscribe ko bler kono ba no gwada me be kan shamala shibgo ji han biya ta kamal ban yo jum radian bye bye